Hey, what is up, everyone? I think today would be something different from everything else that you guys are used to. You guys are used to usually seeing either a garage, in my car, or out at the track. Um, I guess this is something that I've never really told anyone on YouTube. If you follow me on Instagram, then you guys already know where I'm at. But even to this day, it is kind of shocking to some people. I've actually already been moved out of my old place about a month ago now. I actually ended up moving to Texas. You guys have been noticing that I haven't really done YouTube that much. I haven't been making videos as much as I used to. I only made the last couple ones, which was like either the control arms, sway bar links, and I think the track day as well. After that, I've had plans to do more videos. There were stuff here and there that I kept having. The clunking noise, I was going to show you what that was. There's a lot of stuff to update you guys with. I haven't even reviewed the fuel suspension yet. There's just so much videos that I should have put out, but I've just been so slammed with work. Again, I do have a 9 to 5 job, which mine is at 8:30 to 5:30. And at the same time, it is a lot more involved for me. So my job ended up offering me a position here, a better one than before, and it required me to move to Texas. And yeah, I got in my car and I drove over here. I've been so busy with finding a location here, finding a place to live, doing everything that I need to do just to move out, and then getting settled in. I'd say I'm pretty much good. I don't really have furniture. I don't have a lot of stuff here, but I've been making it work. And I think to this day, I think I'm pretty much okay. It's pretty small, which is just a 1-bedroom apartment. Nothing fancy, nothing special. But I do get to have my car parked right outside the window. So my bedroom is right there. You guys see, I think the lights are on right now for some strange reason. And the window's open and you can actually see my car. I also did bring my dog. For those of you who don't know, I do have a dog. His name is Cinco, and I wouldn't have left him in California. He would come with me. There's kind of stuff that I need to catch up on. I think one of the things I don't really mention to you guys is kind of the merch or brand that I've built as well, which is very, very, very small, which is the Blame. We just recently made that into an LLC. This is something that has almost over a year now, about 2 years. Sometime in July it'll be 2 years that I first started and made this idea kind of come true. And it's just been a process. I never mentioned it because I didn't want to be someone who really plugs it all the time, but also one of the things that I've noticed is I kind of do have to plug it just for you guys to know, to build up the brand and such. And again, there's another thing too, is that we're starting a Blame racing team. Something that a friend of mine and I have been kind of talking about for the past 3 months, and then eventually we just said, you know what, let's do it, let's jump on it, because if we don't do it now, we won't ever get it done. And that's how I've been recently, where I've been just jumping up and down on everything I can that I have been saying no to. There's so much stuff that I say no to that I shouldn't be doing, or I can't do it now, I'll do it later, and I never get to it. So I decided to do all this, everything that I'm doing now. And unfortunately, that has taken so much time out of my day to create any kind of content for you guys. I've been lagging on Instagram on my personal page, which is basically mixed in with all of this that I do, my brand page. And even though we jumped into the racing team that's fairly new, I feel like I'm lagging on that too, but we're going to get everything done that we need to get done. Every little moment that I get to relax and breathe and finally de-stress myself, I should pick up the camera and show you guys. But unfortunately, again, moving to a new place, having an apartment, not living at a house, kind of takes away from what I was used to doing with you guys. It's just showing you what I do to fix things. Now I'm going to sit down, kind of write down everything that needs to get done, things that I can show on the channel. I think this channel is not going to really be any more of a how-to or install videos that I do on my own. Really not really how-to, since half the stuff I do is me just guessing how it goes, and then it magically works out for itself. But I guess I might try doing something on a daily, not daily, but more of a vlog style, how my day goes at times. Some of the important stuff or some of the fun events that I might be able to go to. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this camera is different. And so some of you guys that do know, I have used this camera in the past. It hasn't been all the best in terms of recording audio, but this camera is my Nikon D5300. And this is the one I usually take pictures of cars with, do any kind of photos that I usually post on Instagram. Unfortunately, my vlog camera, I ended up leaving it in California, which one of my cousins ended up picking it up. I told them they can have it, basically use it for whatever they need. And I told myself, maybe I have to start looking to a new camera, maybe looking to a GoPro. I mean, that camera itself was already 4 or 5 years old, so it's not too bad that I get to upgrade the camera system. The camera just fell, but hopefully you guys did enjoy the video. Hopefully you guys, make sure you guys like this video, comment, whatever you guys want to comment, and I will see you guys on the next one. See you guys. Bye.